It's the look, the hot, sexy Latin look that drives men wild. That round, firm derriere that turns heads wherever you go. But you've got a secret, Brazilian Secret, the undergarment that firms and shapes for the look that thrills. Brazilian Secret is a sexy lingerie that has a patented design that will lift your glutes and add up to 1 inch of volume in just seconds. Brazilian Secret is totally invisible, seamless, and discreet. Wear them under your skirts and pants. No one will ever notice you are wearing them. It's like having your own little secret.
I feel excellent. They're very comfortable. It's the best I've tried. Natural feeling, hasn't moved, and it's as if I've been going to the gym for 6 months.
Brazilian Secret is a revolutionary product that will give you that special lift to the part of the body that men love the most. This is the easiest, most effective solution to obtain that curve in your body you always dreamed of.
Brazilian Secret will re-contour your body from the very first time you wear them. You will feel sexier, more attractive, and the best part of all, you won't have to sacrifice elegance or style. Do you still want to buy regular underwear that offers little benefits? Of course not. Now, not only models look beautiful, but you will too.
It fits right in with your natural curves, and it gives my figure a boost.
You have to try it.
With the Brazilian Secret, you'll improve your appearance and get the figure you've always dreamed of. Brazilian Secret. What are you waiting for? Change your body today. Order your Brazilian Secret for only $19.95. You can get a second Brazilian Secret for 50% off the original price. Quantities are limited. Brazilian Secret comes in 2 different colors, nude and black, and multiple sizes. No other product can compare to Brazilian Secret. Brazilian Secret has revolutionized the world.